Hello, Gervin. It's Gary, and this is the fasten kit problem I talked with you. You know, the main potential issue is about this hemi cycle this kit. You know, is how we lock engine to the joint this device, and then we fasten the kit by this squeeze button. But you know, this hemicycle, this kit may become loose during due to the vibration during the flight. So our suggestion is that you use the bond, you know, to lock this hemicycle kit, so to ensure the stability during the flight. And this is our suggestion.